Welcome to Rich Boy Tech Channel. Let's make money online.
Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to unlock Facebook accounts. So I'm going to be teaching you a method how you can unlock Facebook accounts. So make sure you have the email with you. You can see this email is inactive. So these accounts have been disabled for almost going to 3 years now. So we are trying to recover stroke unlock this account. So to do this, we go back to the Facebook. We go back to the Facebook account. You can see the Facebook is locked since. So just log out. Go to facebook.com and click on forget password. When you click on forget password, input the email of the Facebook account. So when you input the email, they will send code to the email. So this is how you get tricky here. Don't reset the Facebook. Just leave the Facebook like this and come back in next 1 hour. So 1 hour time, we are going to come back to this Facebook and I will show you the next step. So this is in next 1 hour, we're going to come back to the Facebook. So it's already 1 hour now. So let's check the accounts. You log in your username and password. Log in the account. You will see. Log in the email too. When you log in the account, you will see an option for you to send code to an email. So this is the email. So this is the Facebook account. You see get started. Next, you see send code to email. Yeah, you can see. Then you send code to the email account. Once you send code to the email account, refresh. You see the code. So copy the code and input it on the Facebook. Okay, account confirm. Next. Yes. You can see this account was created 2021. Back to Facebook. Voila, the account will be open. We just unlock a Facebook account. So do well to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So you can see the email is there. So the account will be unlocked. Thank you guys.